How you doing, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? It is Mr. Burgess and Gianna. We're here to give you a little preview on the body paragraphs and what that's going to be about today. Wait, say hi, Gianna.
Hi,
Well, you don't just say hi. You are Gianna. Just say hi, Mr. Burgess and students. That's right. Gianna says hi and what's up. We're going to talk about body paragraphs today, and I'm going to show you what the parts of the body paragraph are and how they're going to fit into your paper along with the evidence. A lot of people don't realize there's a pretty strict format to that we're going to follow and adhere to ensure that you don't make the number one mistake of all body paragraphs, which is listing. Just listing. Fact, 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 fact. And if that's what you're going to do, that's what you think, that is what I want, you are incorrect. What is the function of a body paragraph? Take a look on the side of the screen. You'll see the function of the body paragraph is to prove exactly what you set out to prove in your thesis statement. This is approximately 70% of your paper, especially if you're talking about the number of sentences and things like that. This is the body of your paper, the meat of your paper. This is where all the research is in your paper. Take a look at the parts of a body paragraph that we're going to be looking at. There are four main parts here. We're talking about the topic sentence. We're talking about the evidence. We're talking about the reasoning. We're talking about the transitions. One more time. Topic sentence, evidence, reasoning, and transitions. That transition is going to go to your next paragraph as well, which is why right now I don't have a conclusion sentence in there. That's going to go for the very last paragraph, okay? Take a look at this particular sample body paragraph topic sentence. Many children are in life-threatening situations at home and are sufficient enough to live on their own. That is a topic sentence. It is a general statement, no data, no research, and it previews what my paragraph is going to be about. What do you think it's going to be about? What evidence do you expect is coming? All right. Take a look at this next one here, sample body paragraph. Many children in life threatenings at home and are sufficient enough to live on their own. Now, in red, you'll see a statistic that I used to provide a fact for what I just said. According to a 2017 CNN survey, 63% of adopted children will apply for emancipation from their adopted families. I cite my source, Jackson 118. This shows that even though many children are in tough environments, almost two-thirds of them feel they can handle life on their own. Another survey from Kid World says 25% of kids who are emancipated from their parents wind up in jail within 4 years. This survey also proves that even though many of the kids feel that they can be independent, sometimes they can't escape their own lifestyles. What is that red? What is that blue? What is that red? What is that blue? What we're looking at here is a basic pattern of evidence and an explanation. Red and blue, that's right. Say red is evidence. Can you say that? Red is evidence. She got it. And blue is explanation. That's right. Red is evidence, blue is explanation. And we repeat that until we have exhausted all the evidence and explanations for that subtopic in that paragraph. In this case, there are two pieces of evidence and two explanations, one for each one of them. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey man, this looks a lot like a constructed response. Well, guess what? You're absolutely correct. A constructed response is a strategic paragraph. And a strategic paragraph, you are constructing an argument here, or constructing a paragraph right here, or a response, however you want to look at it. Okay. Now there's one thing here that is missing that will smooth out your writing a little bit. Those are transitions. Take a look right here. Same exact paragraph. We're going to add transitions in to strategic areas, to what's what I'm looking for, to combine ideas and concepts, and you'll be able to look up on the wall in the classroom and determine which category of transition words and phrases do I need? Am I adding another example? Am I contrasting examples? Am I doing something with time? Okay. And so you can see right here, in addition to that, that's what person who, that's an example where I'm adding another fact that proves the same thing. Similarly, is adding another fact that proves the same thing. And again, right now, so I'm reinforcing, and those transition words and phrases work towards the reader to emphasize point is being made, point is being made, point is being made right there. And notice right here on this one, let me maximize that screen a little bit. What you can notice right here on this slide is that I have two blue sentences back to back right here at the end of this paragraph. Two blue sentences back to back. Your explanation of what these particular pieces of evidence prove or show is not supposed to have any kind of personal emotion into it, not supposed to have any personal bias. This is still informative. You are merely translating that evidence for the person who knows nothing about your topic, okay, which likely will be a 14 or 15-year-old boy or girl at Greenspoon Junior High School in another classroom. So you got to think about who your audience is and how you're going to make that clear to them. Okay. Now it doesn't have to be just one sentence of explanation. It can be more than one sentence of explanation. As you can see here at the end, that's what happens here at the end. That's right. Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
That's right. That's right. What's your name? What's your name? Gianna. It's hard to say that with pizza in your mouth. Okay, so just hold on tight and keep on watching. Okay, you see here on this slide is a transition words document. You can make your own copy. Okay, similar to one we used at the beginning of the year. And last but not least, your conclusion sentence at the end. Okay, this sentence is similar to the topic sentence. It's not specific. It doesn't include the data, and it does connect to your claim. Okay, take a look right here. You're pretty much summarizing exactly what that paragraph said. Reinforce what it is that you were trying to say at the very beginning of the paragraph. As you can see, or the transition phrase, children who attempt to emancipate from families are attempting to save their own lives. That is a conclusion sentence. Perfectly done, if I might add. Okay, so what you're looking at here is we're going to repeat and rinse this particular formula 3 times. If you were to have a paragraph like this, you would have 2 facts per paragraph, which times 3 paragraphs is 6 facts. I know for a fact that you did all your research in class. If you have 6 facts and you have 3 sources, you have enough to just barely, and you do this exactly like I say, just barely meet the standards here. If you do this exactly like I say. Now, if you're a person who's interested in only meeting the standards, good luck. You make one mistake, you're in approaches the standards land. You're not meeting the standards. Always be a person who attempts to go above and beyond that. Above and going beyond in this one, in this case, is having more evidence, more explanations, or illuminating evidence and explanations for your informative topic. Okay, take a look over here on the right-hand side. What you're going to see is a graphic organizer. This graphic organizer is basically going to take you through all 3 paragraphs. We have the same exact pieces here. We have a topic sentence, we have evidence, and we have factual data. And then you're going to answer this question right here. Why is this fact important and what does it mean? This should be right there. Okay, what is this fact important and what does it mean? And then here you're going to put your transition word or phrase. Okay, transition word or phrase. And then your fact and data too for this paragraph. Okay, why is this fact important? What does it mean? Transition to the next paragraph. We're going to make this a conclusion sentence right here. Okay, so that is what is happening here. Okay, this is exactly what your hi Arlo, how are you? This is exactly what your conclusions, what your paragraph is going to look like, and the pattern is going to follow. If you can go ahead and do that and get this done 3 times, you're going to be set and in the clear, man. What you're going to find out is that you're probably going to have to go back and do a little bit more research so you can make sure that your facts are all lining up the way you want them to. And this is a normal part of the writing process, to be writing and then going back to research. I'm looking for a certain fact. If I can find a certain fact to prove a certain point, I'm looking for a fact to say what I want to say. At this point, when you are researching with serious intent. You are definitely making sure that your research is pointed toward something, mainly clearing up and clarifying paragraphs and points. Okay? That's it for body paragraphs. You're going to rinse, repeat 3 times. This is the body paragraph, and we're going to finish it off right here. Gianna, what are you going to say? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What about Arlo? Is Arlo going to say bye?
Bye, Arlo.
That's right. All right, y'all. Take care, and I will see you on the other side.